a buddy of mine who headed down south not too long ago. He's been calling me up, he's been wearing me out, blowing up my telephone, telling me to come on down and take a look around, see if I don't agree that he's found a place with the prettiest girls that he's ever seen. I jumped in my truck and I fired it up. I went and heard him sing. I got lucky in Kentucky, teased and pleased in Tennessee. I was taken down in Macon by a sweet little Georgia peach. Down in the Cajun state, I found my fate in the arms of a Bayou Dream. You see, I flipped in Mississippi. Oh, how they can in Alabama. They made my day in the FLA. I found a promised land. But that Mason-Dixon line is drawn. Southern women got southern charm. Oh, yes.
All right, today we found ourselves at the Tabasco factory out here on Avery Island in Louisiana. So we are going to take you for a tour of this factory, and as you can see down here is where you walk. View when I'm shooting this one. There's some big trees out here on Avery Island. Bears out here, babe. Well, I guess that's all the Tabasco sauce is aging right now. Well, the aging is oat girl. Salt on top. That must preserve it or something. I can see it's wet. Some of them are wet. Avery Island Store, the life on the island, the tango. You want to read that? Go ahead and pause. Jungle Gardens, which we're going to go through here shortly. It's a little drive. The Diane's going to drive and I'm going to film. Hopefully we got that battery. We can plug in though. All these people with 45 years of service, 40 years of service, 20 years of service. They made a career. These are the people that make your Tabasco sauce right here. That's Avery Island right there. You want to see the upper view of Avery Island. See if I can get you over the center. That's about as far as I can get, guys. Hope you can see that pretty good. I know you probably can't, but let's see if I can turn it more like this. Well, I hope you guys are liking this new camera, man, because you know what I'm going to tell you right now. The other camera would have been struggling right here in this little area. It's pretty dark back here, and this camera appears to be picking it up pretty good. And I got it on just intelligent mode because I don't even want to mess with it right now. If you're wondering, it's a Sony EV-Z10 is what this camera is. It smells real good in here, guys. It smells like Tabasco sauce. We walked right in. Well, it don't quite smell like Tabasco sauce. It smells like wooded Tabasco sauce. Let's go look into the barrels, into the processing plant. Okay. This is the processing plant where they take all the, that's why it smelled the way it did. They take all the peppers and blend them together to make that vinegary Spicy Tabasco sauce we all love. Blending is where we're going. Alright, here they are. Bottling. This guy's over here looking to make sure that everything's getting balled up correctly.
Then they get the caps out and the labels. 1,359,000.
All these machines are specially developed specifically for Tabasco. Look at all their, see if I can zoom in there for you. I don't mind the zoom on this thing. I hope you guys like it. Let me see. Tabasco bottles produced today. 136,260, 270, 280. Man, can you drink that many, eat that many things of Tabasco?
They're making the habanero pepper one to go to Saudi Arabia.
That one's going to Saudi Arabia?
See where it says right there?
Uh-huh.
And it's a habanero one.
Going to Saudi Arabia. You can see what we're talking about right there. Wave to the vlog, everybody. We got the Tabasco people that have been working here. These are people that make your sauce right here. There's the big bottles I get over there. I don't mess with the little ones. No more. All right. Here they are in a salt mine right here. Working the salt. Check it out. I'm gonna blast. Oh. What's that? I'm gonna blast. You know that's got to be hard work. So it turns out that this rock was actually the very first salt rock they removed from the salt mine for the Tabasco factory. And here it sits right here. So if you want to come over here and lick it, you're more than welcome.
Oh, they do also have some different Tabasco flavors.
This is the little gift store here they have. Alright guys, today we find ourselves out in Louisiana at the Tabasco factory watching the production of Tabasco sauce, one of my favorite sauces. Could be one of your favorite sauces, I don't know. But I'm gonna tell you what, it's a pretty cool little place, cool little tour. They got museums, and you saw it all. So hope you enjoyed it. Well, let's go into the gift store and see what type of merch they got, man. You guys at Tabasco merch, let's go.